Good morning, country people. Then with the salute, all man we don't shit on for side with they say time it don't reach where we get for talk, and when I know say today now Friday number 15 day for December 2023. Plenty thing and day way we get for talk. We get for talk all thing we don't happen for inside the week. Palava petrol we make them. Plenty people then they work out with fault, and plenty people then they get problem for their workplace because they come late. We go talk to Palava this one. They discover some cops for side for Kribi, and where they cops them they be day 3, and then 1, it day 4, and then 2. It day where they never see that, and with na Okada people them. SDO for side for Kribi in a hand for table say this so work it go start for police and gendarme. When we finish now, we could talk Palava accident where plenty people don't die. Yesterday for side for Likumba, now for that side for Tico subdivision for Southwest Cameroon. After that one now, we could talk now 39 days after where they be make killing for newly and for site for Manfe. Now yesterday, where number 1 for Southwest Okala Bilai, a Nagi fought for site for Lime and for site for Manfe for move the 12 people them we fire be bonam and we God be touch them. We could last year thing way number 1 for Southwest Ekotoka, and then we could talk again. Palava this one where Bello Council it don't hold his section meeting for that side for Bello and Mayor Mr. Ngong Innocent. He get talk for talk because he don't give some kako for people that way they may be victim for landslides for side for Bello. We could go to for side for Bamida town. For talk Palava this one, now Palava this one way, His Excellency Paul Atangaji a visit ye people them for side for Baminda, and he get talk for talk. For any man we don't take gun and a day for inside bush. Same story he talk 70 cents story for Shamboning time he tell we saying woman where he find Pekin. He know they sleep for bed with the trouser. Woman where he define Pekin, you know they sleep for bed with the trouser. Person we send number one Mr. Ebert Elvis. We send for that side for Ekona. For side for Southwest Cameroon. Ma Priska is supporter for Santa Edena for Northwest Cameroon. And then we get for start because we get stranger, we don't come for inside us. You go now with Monday, we won't come back, we go enter the chapter. Yes. Mohammed Naididi. Come for Touré house now a second time we the enter Touré house since that today na Friday, and he said he could tell we ye on work way sabi work for Cameroon, and then we could enter now for inside the talk. Countryman they call he say Hillary he should done for inside Douala come for inside Yaoundé. Come good for Touré house.
Come good General. Good morning to everyone who will follow us by this time. I want to salute my friend, my brother Prophet Francis Nkongo, and my way the Sudan for Douala, and I want to salute also my friend Mr. Gaspar, who is the Sudan for Yaoundé here for career.
Okay. So it is time for career with the salute all man we don't shit down now for front television because we get for talk. Maybe internal for the chapter 1 now Palava petrol for inside Yaoundé when the capital for country now we president Shidon all minister mayor them we don't run gone for the on-site and parliamentarian them we don't run to gone they don't can hide for inside Yaoundé with normal now inside Yaoundé where petrol we get for shop so inside Santa Barbara now where did that way it happen where you look at you see this one any man if you don't know we got on and Okada people them plenty they don't sleep now for petrol station as we know they see them for make a meal and no say so that matter for petrol it not be easy at all wait till we get for make so that me all thing in water now anyway we talk say this so me anything me people that know how they work for inside country how it happen now so it happen me when I look am now Santa Barbara where we there for inside. Now anyway we talk to this so all Okada people then they will flop plenty for inside a country. So for Yaoundé for take Okada go on there for Saturday they call us everything for Saturday they call them for Nguso you go for pay 500 francs for come for Santa Barbara go there for site for Emana go there for Obala if you don't get money like 2,000 you not go succeed. We be talking again go enter for pay where they call us everything now for Totangoso where they talk to this so for Totangoso all thing if they for that side in the country now way I for ATM is Chonton it go for that side that way is you see so all man it then for line people then they not for line I say line where they it not be being an easy one see any man they only with you where they call us 70 gallon now for pipe petrol go keep them and news in the interview say this so petrol where they buy them now where they talk 70 petrol where they buy them now petrol where they take and go to sell them again for side where they call them for Obala now where people them they succeed go catch them now when governor for Cameroon they don't talk to this so this one now says where the why use them and where they not agree now so one body is now with meet up say this so some people there they get petrol for their own petrol station but they don't want serve and people that we use now says they go bribe and then before they serve you petrol now you will the ask and say this is disadvantage for some person advantage for another one so for inside Yaoundé we go for Bastos but let's see how the matter for petrol it will affect population for Bastos now contact people for inside country you see say this so private car they go park and then again taxi them they park Okada people them they sleep for that petrol station for side for Bastos they talk say this so they not be come out where they say they never put their petrol for inside their Okada and inside taxi and private car and this thing it don't make them plenty people then they don't get problem with their patron then because they don't come late for work. Another place again now follow book where minister come out book where minister he come out and minister will be in charge of water and energy so he come out big book as you see him he be talking this on number 12 day for number 12 one now they will petrol with it outside for Cameroon but the day it can pass where people that see the worker we got on them even today number 15 day people that social day where for the worker and where they not get petrol for on inside their motor and Okada so with the answer where there's some talk where the minister go talk for another TV station they talk it not make sense or it makes sense because we see a different thing this one now for SDP for inside that side for the go from Sam you see say this one population to the floor for petrol station after they see tanker where it carry petrol the pass now way Okada people them they follow say this so in Montana and don't give them petrol so that mean they take and work because for Cameroon you them they not get work and then they dey for retirement and buy them now they don't she done for work now and then they sing every day say you them for today now they will be later than for tomorrow so now wait till that where petrol they bring up inside Yaoundé so continue Mr. Hillary you say you be countryman where you work and you dey work a need petrol their work a need a petrol for take and carry passenger so this matter for petrol it don't affect you but wait the way you work so that make country people know wait the way you talk.
General, to tell you the truth this matter for petrol is a very serious problem because this problem no be small problem where we dey suffer for this Yaoundé. It surprised me a whole capital nation like this one will not be capable for get fuel. The other day I go for Total, I carry my motor go for Total for Konkana just for get fuel for 3,000 To be honest with you, I got to pay. I pay up to 4,500 for get fuel for 3,000. So the scarcity for fuel, it don't bring a business for other people then. When this one not been a matter where this capital station, capital nation is supposed to lack fuel. So I don't know what's this country the carry we go. I don't know what the way this country is turned into. Fuel, the scarcity for fuel, it don't become now a step of wealth for other people their pocket. Because I suffer. I don't suffer this problem for fuel, not be small. Maybe one time, yesterday before I go even get 1 liter fuel for put for my motor, I go spend 2,000 for 1 liter fuel. Est-ce que je peux for biso? Est-ce que je peux for biso? So, may the government, may they really take that and stand up. They really need to stand up. Because what we want to do with transport, what we want to go through, it's not easy. See like today before I go reach here, from Carrefour back, can reach from here. I spend 1,300
For transport.
for transport only.
You'll be taking a bus for travel.
Not in a normal taxi. I don't park my motor, take taxi for road. For Carrefour back to here, 1,300 inside Yaoundé. Is correct? So government supposed to stand up. Yaoundé not supposed to lack fuel. For just no reason. The capital city, the heart of the nation. I will suffer what to person for what to the suffer and person for bandit. For instance, Southwest not the sufferer. What to the sufferer for your person for Libya not the sufferer. What to the sufferer for your people for Bakassi not so the sufferer. And this is the heart of the nation. It is not really easy. It's not easy. They will tell you say stand for life, you stand for life for 8 hours. You never able to get 1 liter fuel. Nanyama ko kate se gars si tu ne gères pas, tu ne peux pas sortir. Est-ce que je peux vous biso?
And where petrol will come up from inside Cameroon.
Inside the country.
But president for country don't tell we see this so no minister don't tell we see this so ship where we get for bring petrol if we can't get some small problem. That means say ship where if we go for high sea for go carry petrol, if we get some small problem, so they will get for fix the ship so that may come with the petrol. So any man just talk say this so now talk, but we do how we don't hear you on talk. We so the way to deal with petrol it go enter. Me we don't have a side for the water for see where they do so. Therefore, too, it will affect the people for the water. For side for the cocoa, we will see them as people them be flop for petrol station. It not be easy at all. Even for big cocoa, it not be easy. So Mohammed we can we see images them for big cocoa. When I will see say this, so it not be easy at all because Okada people them they be flop for big cocoa, so they go past number. And then yes, if Mohammed people with element for big cocoa, yes, we could see them, and then when I will see how people them be flop for that side. Yes. So for big cocoa to big cocoa now for the water, you see say this so for that side too. We no be there.
Yes. I called my friend Prophet Francis Nkongo yesterday when I talk, and even this morning, scarcity of fuel, it don't turn the whole of Douala another thing.
Yes.
As I talk so Prophet Francis Nkongo, I know say she don't go television. Because any time he said this stuff for 100 for Douala, you go pay 300.
So
yes.
Yes, Mr. Mohamed, est-ce qu'on peut voir Bikoko comment les as a best skin flop. If you put them, you go see them. You see say this so plenty people them they be there on top Okada they wait. Say this so me outing happen. As you see them, so me no say this so for that side for Bikoko. This place now for that place where you pass fly over. Motor will go for Southwest, and then the one where we take for go for Bomono, for go for Suza. That petrol station where they by the left. Now so people them be flop. You see only gallon them. You see only Okada people them. So one them they talk to this so they must live for the if they not succeed for give them fuel. So place where they need so no man will not check for that place. Another place again where a pass window man now from Consamba. Yes, we could go from Consamba. Go down Consamba every day for chapter for petrol. You see I'm saying now for night. Now when they don't say this, so petrol don't come, and they come for petrol station. Till when they come for petrol station, now inside business because they talk to so you must give a person we get for save you 500 francs or 1,000 francs, but you not get for put you petrol plenty because if you put them, you need them for 20,000. We could put down sometimes for 10,000 or 15,000. So now we Okada people then they block for this, so they must see where to it pass. And people that will now operators where themselves they cost for inside bush, or then they be using petrol, it don't the short, they come off for bush, play with 20 gallon, and now way it costs this traffic for side for and conserver. Another one, now the one way happen for side for Bavosam, yes. For Bavosam too, now so it happen petrol station too, it will be blocked because then too they say this so petrol don't finish. After the say don't come, all man a come Okada for inside house, a bring them for petrol station. Now way you see this so them flop for petrol station. So countryman, not only for your own day, we petrol a be short for Douala, you don't see them for consumer and for Bafosam. So you see said that we feel succeed because youth that work for Cameroon now Okada. Meanwhile, Papa then where they begin for go retirement, they still there for active service. Where do you go for talk like youth and we now would have a leader for tomorrow?
For all what you are the see now, General, it shows for become a youth, I should say about the age of 60, 70 for this country. Because the people that want to see them like our father, now they don't take the office of the youth. And even the small go ahead, so they don't give us the youth for manage with Okada, we not still get the resources to meet up with our daily needs. And which way to be the resources that the fuel, when there be the energy, where they energize us for make sure to reach up with our daily needs. We not forget them. See what happened today. I will tell you, say, if the other day for Yaoundé here, one man can buy fuel for 48,000. Where they say fuel no day. It costs all Okada people, they say today. And the same man still go back and bring another jeep for can buy again. They say today, no man, this man will buy 1 liter fuel. If they don't sell fuel, give them. All of us will lock the whole station. The Total for Comcana too, the Zen Total Comcana. It's not be easy. So what are the travel talking and say? Our parents, the way they for update, they affect us badly. They don't be for permit fuel for lack for 1 second because they don't say this is the only way when we the youth will end up our living. It's the only thing we use to end up our living. So if now minister they talk say sheep will begin for bring fuel, he get complaint, he don't do this, he don't do that. I believe say Cameroon go a refinery. I believe say this our country get refinery where they refine fuel. Where did it happen with our refinery? Where don't be now say we must import fuel before we survive. Of which we get enough fuel for inside this country. General, what did it happen with our refinery?
Now talk that way we get for answer for those who did work for Ngomna. Because at then said they get for answer we.
I thought so this talk to they hear.
And they go answer. You know? Yes. Country people that we live in now, we enter another one. Now insecurity. Where in the process for Kribi, them discover 3 Okada people them, where they don't kill them, tie them, and then they cut 2 their head, they disappear with them. So insecurity we do for that side now Kim and pay. We feel go for Kribi go see as it happen. So the first of the soul, this palaver insecurity in our standard today, it don't go like 1 year according to the talk with SDO for site for Kribi, it the talk Mohamed on peut voir les images de Kribi. Voilà. So we look at so for site for Kribi. Now so they happen time they discover them. Now them now we no fit make wanna see them. Today Okada driver them where they don't take them for town, go with them for some village, go to kill them and then tie them. And then cut 2 Okada people to their head, disappear with them, and they toss it. So this thing it don't happen for Kribi. Now we the big man for side for Kribi will be first be due for Douala today. Now in that he says that he don't know hand for table. It talks to this so insecurity it get for finish for side for Kribi as Christmas and New Year it don't the land. So they don't still discover another one again for Boamanga where they don't discover person too where they don't knock him on top bridge and then he die. They sell him for inside water. So their body it come out now where people them be flop plenty for side for Kribi. So Kribi it there for total insecurity. We need to say this so me a government for Cameroon try for reinforce police and gendarme where they could work night and day for that side. Palava insecurity for inside Kribi, and Kribi in a place where white people in the camp for play life. And for the way where you get a small money, you feel carry your family for say go play life. Now when they don't start, they kill people them for the wait you feel talk concerning this matter.
Sincerely, Kribi, na touristic site, one of the touristic sites for Cameroon. And I believe say any touristic site must get serious security. Because strangers that they come from far and near. Or you want people, white people, they enter every time. Our people like this, they enter country and show that they bring us development for inside the country. So if a place like Kribi go get insecurity, then me say the office of law and order, they need to stand up.
Dans le village,
where they go retake and keep person. So what will be the work of the security for the nation? Are they sleeping for citizens to die? So what I try to talk and I say, the people when they be in charge of that sector, of that Kribi, when they be in charge of Kribi, the police commissioner, the gendarmerie brigade, it is high time for them to rise up. Because if not be so, thing will go happen, it go bad. It go bad if they not rise up. It don't call that time for sleep. Because as when Christmas they come, that's what happens on them for year for career. A lady where they sell the orange for road on a good evening like this. As she carry her back orange for go keep her person, just follow her for back, kill the girl. Kill the girl on a broad daylight. So the matter for insecurity not been a small problem for Cameroon.
Okay.
The problem for insecurity, the government really need to stand.
Okay. So me we talk now and for talk now say me when she don't quite. Me we talk now Palava this one now accident where don't happen yesterday for Likumba it didn't have a Tico subdivision for Southwest Cameroon. So the accident will happen. They say this one for 5:30 for sharp morning time. Don't for one point for go for Limbe, for go for Mutengeni, for go for Buya. Them can't enter for inside some camion with camion. USSF if they climb that Likumba hill. Those people where it go back and then last now can grand people them. Plenty people them they don't die for this accident. But people them for side for Northwest, then 2 the day inside that 5 picking them for that side for Ashon, for side for Baminda. They don't die for inside this accident. I say 5 in number. So they tell we say this one now more than 30 don't die. Some people they say now 10 don't die. Some people they say now 8 don't die. So we still wait a talk we will come out for minister with the local transport for inside Cameroon. USSF you get your family member them for site for Likoma for Tico. USSF they don't tell you about the accident. Say this one happen for that side. So now another cry die when Christmas and New Year they come. Plenty where they where people them they detect for die and mostly now for Palava accident. So you don't see them now for the Likumba. That.
Yes, General. This morning I don't make call. Ask for Likumba. They say the people die about 30. Say 30 people they sleep straight. Wait for wake up in no day.
Yeah, but we never feel confirm because now God na give tell we exact people in way they don't die. Yes, go ahead.
So what are the travel talk now say? When a period like this one they come, I think it's been a high time for government for really take, especially the police people when they there for road, they really need for the check cars, check motor, check the camion, the way they pass. Okay, look at what will happen now. Okay, almost about 30 people don't sleep straight just because of one camion where it fell break. 30 souls go down. It is for me, I look at like something for shame. I look at like something when I shame and disgrace for this country. Where a period like this one they come and things like this they happen. Why did they work for the police people then for road? Why did they work? Why did they take people for check if those cars they are very, very okay? If motor the way they apply the road they be so okay. Why they don't fit check them? But so they never check any other things. Now what way they go for back pocket they be very, very fit to do that one. But see what way they happen today. People, small young people for 8 years, 10 years, 15 years, they don't die. We're not correct. So what are the travel talking and say, make our security, they really stand up. Because so this one a responsibility for our security then. Because if I show say the police people, they be fit for check, the camion for no say that this way they happen, I believe say this accident enough will occur. So now what they do, I don't talk. Where they put the plan for the police people, make them stand up. Make them stand up.
So when I don't hear as it happen, anyhow with the suso with team way minister will be in charge of transport Egotokam. Maybe internet website for Manfe 6 November 2023. Now we killing it be there for new layout for that site for Manfe, and plenty people them they be die and plenty people then get caught. Some people then they don't cut their foot for site for hospital for Boya. So yesterday we make 38 days as the matter it will happen. But now yesterday when we see number one for Southwest when Okala Bilai governor he go for that site because they get for move the cost for mortuary. Me we learn for that side go see him. Now so they happen and they start with prayer. After prayer, national anthem. After national anthem, they show we sideway Okala Bilai with the delegation they should on. Now they come that. Now the cops is that, and they 12 number. That means now one door for new layout for site for Manfe, and insecurity there for Manfe. Question where people ask and say this matter be happen for number 6 day for November. Governor, when he be Oga for Southwest, he no go for the way the thing be happen, but he go on a day where they come up the cops. Now the people them it will be now the mayor for that Manfe Council, Mr. Tabajong Robertson Ashu, where he says it the only try for bring peace. Now in that, now the mayor for Manfe Council. Me we hear to where they talk, Mr. Mohammed.
I address you today as we gather here to bid a final farewell to our beloved fellow citizens who lost their lives in a heartless attack of terrorism perpetrated by Amazonian terrorists, carrying out senseless atrocities under the guise of. Today is a dark day for our city, Manfe, our division, Manu and Cameroon as a whole. A day that will forever
ended freedom from conflict and crisis. And in a time like this, we need the God of peace.
1, 2, 3, 4. We begin to count down. And number 4 that 5, 6, that woman. 7, woman again. 8, man picking. 9, man picking. 10, small picking. 11, now man or a woman, and what look can find. 12, correct. Anyway, number 1 for Southwest, he done with the worker. They talk Asha for the family, and he don't send President Paul Biya don't send a condolence for the family where they don't lost their family member for waiting will be passed for a new layout for site for Manfe, where even Parliament chief for site for Manu, he did for Ikona. All them they don't work out local because any phone picture there for corner and the family head for the family. So this woman he lost his own person. So now mayor that for site for Manfe Council where he work out for corner. So it talks this so it only beg the population for site for Manfe for Manu. Say me the day for 1 month. And any person we don't enter for inside Manfe for destroy, say God a catch make people then see them. And those where they make this action, government it is also a day for outside for investigation because wait will be passed from Garbo for site for Donga Mantum division. Government for Cameroon be make investigation. When I say when I know the result will be come out, and government for Cameroon is still there again for back this matter for Manfe because people that know she don't quiet check say sometime those where they day for investigation say they don't forget that they work on top. So this we yet way governor for side for Southwest Okala Bilai he get for talk. Countryman, you don't go day where they come up talk.
The various speeches, various interventions, and my own intervention. separatists, I don't know if you call them separatists, they're separatists. Those are simple criminals. And the key word is to denounce them. Everybody today agree that they are no longer in the bushes, because in the past year they used to say those who are in the bushes, they are in our midst. They are living with us. I've authorized the mayors and I instructed that the exercise will continue. The public denunciation. The names have been made, the villages. So the people are known, but they continue to circulate. How are they living? Because they have the assistance from the family's members. So let all the leaders, beginning from the administrative authorities, right to the traditional leader, I mean the chief of the villages, denounce. And they just not denounce. They must invite the families to call back to order their families members. If not, they must organize to quarantine the families. The families of the concerned should known as terrorist families, those who are hiding terrorists. If not, it will continue to be a game, and a very sad game, because this is the result. So we embark, all of us, to denounce systematically the terrorists. It is an obligation. And I want you, the journalists, to repeat it. To repeat it in good faith, not to organize polemic. Oh, yes, and this, I don't know. No corpse of the terrorists have been abandoned. Once they are neutralized, they will also disappear. They disappear how? The family will come now to take the corpse. It means they are active members of the various families. They have families. And after the quarantine of the concerned families, will go further, because they have the criminal and civil responsibility. So we're not for this.
For Southwest, he don't talk. Okala Bilai, governor for Southwest. Now he don't talk when I don't hear. So, Mr. Hillary, you don't hear thing where governor, he don't talk, say, separatists, not them, they do that action, and they work on top for see how they could catch them, and if they complain against it, they say, they begin to catch them that very day, because they say they disappear. So, they understand. He they talk like governor, person where they represent President Paul Biya for Southwest. This matter, that they talk say that Joe don't do it. Some people say that Joe don't do it. So the population for Manfe, they be confused because they want no person who don't do this action. If it don't happen for Gabo, if it don't happen for Francisca, he college for site for Kumba. We can't last year the result. What you get for talk, you don't move the cops.
General, if the head of the region, he talks say na separatists and government they carry out investigation, fine and good. If family government carry out investigation, a good thing to make sure say they bring these people to book. But I want to ask one question: say, when did they really prove say na separatists that they do this act? Because when it be happen for Garbu, all we at the end of the day will be rightly know whose side where the source is come out. So may we not conclude saying a separatist where the investigation it never be made. So that it is the same that they try to see him. They talk, yes, as the head of the region, but no proof where it shows a separatist they do this act. I like the word we use them. He said the people they deal with us, they are living among us. So it may be even right beside him, the people are there.
That means they know them.
We don't know. Now wait to wait talk.
No, but if they talk, not talk, or because if you want to follow the talk where they talk, that means it show say if he talks to the people and they are
among us.
That means they know them.
They know them.
But they begin to catch them. Because if you know person say na your enemy this, you get for kashi.
Yeah.
But if you return of a mob say the day
Around we.
that means they should say something there again we will not understand.
That's the thing about the travel talker.
Yes.
Say he talks to the people that they around we.
Yes, because on statement they way they use them where they talk say on non-government. We never first understand on non-government. On non-government it means as because what way they happen they talk say on non-government. And at them where they will get for tell we who don't do that
They act.
Yes.
When they talk about non-gun men,
Yes.
I mean say people they not be legalized to hold gun.
Okay.
Where they not supposed to hold gun. Now them the hold gun. Now at the question when I ask that say how the gun manage guys for their hand?
Yes, we not be
Where not be legal. And they recognize them. So there is a clause.
But when they talk say this, so people then get gun and they should down for bush, they know they say gun for bush.
Or bush.
And motor no they go for bush. You see, but how manage gun is cross category for bush?
That is the point.
Because we don't ask them say this, so when you look for checkpoint, now those where they protect the population and the property, they did for checkpoint, where they pass that time only for check na ID card, but they know the check where to where motor carry and for carriage and for backboat, how the gun you know go reach for bush. And some man will tell me say this, so they will move some commandant for some brigade because ye be cash, some people them where they get some yes they get banger. After they think he want to hear go, so it will be forced for releasing the people them. Can me say the show say sometimes something in the way it is so way camera, that camera where they buy them. If you need say me they put them for checkpoint, so that me they film, they scan any motor where they come, so that me they see what way they inside. If for help, what you see inside that one, you see say this whole Cameroon government where they fight those where they get gun, where they shoot off a bush. You see say they will get for buy some camera then way they could scan motor where they come for see whether they so bad thing they inside no.
Yes, normally that's what they're supposed to do for the sake of security. Because if they talk to they say unknown gunmen, I will not know how gun do come for the people their hand. What is that what the travel implies? It means that they got for put camera. They got for buy camera so that people know.
And where Cameroon government get the capital for buy the camera.
They get them.
Yes.
Cameroon is one of the richest countries for Africa.
But where they wait for buy the camera.
That one now they will get for ask them. But they get for give us accountability.
Yes.
Why they delay for buy camera?
And where they complain every day say unknown gunmen.
Unknown gunmen. Unknown gunmen.
Where if camera be there.
They often don't identify.
Yes.
For so know now, who be who.
Now what you get for propose for governor for side for Southwest and for Northwest as Christmas and New Year it come concerning insecurity within the two regions.
I go like to talk back the people because normally this one a very critical period. His Excellency Mr. Bernard Okala Bilai and His Excellency the governor
yes, Adolphe
Lele L'Afrique. So we are pleading to you as youth of this nation. We are pleading to you people, the beg una, say make una do una very best for keep us security for our region. I be Southwesterner. I know exactly what they happen for down there. I know the south, our side is not safe at all. Especially as when this period come. The one with the call and say unknown government, they go come for harass people. So I go do na best for make sure say security be intense for inside these two regions, for save the life of the people and their property. Thank you now.
Okay. May we come on now, we go now for side for Northwest for Bello. Yes, Bello subdivision. For see where to way the mayor for Bello Council, he don't do one with the council them, the councillors them, they don't she down their section meeting for side for Bello Council for see how they could vote their budget for take a walk for that side. Me we go for that side for Bello. Go look where to way it don't pass for that side. So it not be easy at all as when I see him. National anthem now he take first and then prayer it comes second for inside the hall. Now way the council of them all they don't attend the council section for Bello. So all them they be there in no person, you know what I mean? and they talk say this. So peace, it don't come for side for below. So now they get for fixed below. Now way all them any man they try way for proposing on where to way mayor and parliamentarian they get for shidon. Now do that now mayor that with court. Now do that for middle. Now a bodyguard that for left. So they talk say this. So they glad plenty for the mayor and the parliamentarian where they don't try for maintain peace for side for below and they talk say this. So they don't vote plenty money. This one now victim them for landslide way we happen for that side for below. So mayor for side for below council Mr. Ngong innocent. Yes, give this mommy them rice, give them chop, where they get for take them for chop, and then they give them matters where he get for happen. So nothing that way they happen. Now matters that way they don't hand them, they hand them for all the victims them for landslides where it happen for that side. So this countryman he don't do fine thing with the time. The mayor, the parliamentarian, and the councillors them where they don't check and then check fine for CCD. So me this mommy and papa them me they enjoy Xmas and New Year for fine condition. So not talk to this. So God you know the help you. If they not be the prayer, sometimes council you not go get that time, but council don't get that time because now their population. So now the population before the mayor, so the mayor get forgive them this gift as we say and so now good thing way this Mr. Ngong innocent he don't do it. Maybe we hearing way Mr. Mayor Ngong innocent he go talk for below council talk.
$600 million. So the year Cameroon government never forget bail of council. You don't come for bail of come closer. We gave project who employ young people, made they work with hand, 230 million. So government many part, the minister Alamin Usman name, he come say make work for young people and for bail. Made them dig road with their hand. Dig the road where they correct like road where they take and caterpillar. So that one he make our budget big so. We also get electricity where go show ashing. So na 50 million. I will get road too for road fund where Minister Ngano Jimisi don't give from fully go reach for Anjin Carrefour. Where all the big projects I didn't make our project big. Nobody say we get money for here. All we would get over here now government is supporting it. So we thank Cameroon government, we thank President Bobby. You know that and never ever forget Bello. And for landslide victim the way they engineer Minister Marie-Therese Abena when I be mommy for all families, we don't say we can't support them. We can support them with all the way if we do. We don't say we put water too for engineering for that side. So she say the people the water will spoil for them, but the people they get water for them. We don't get in the way the people can sleep fine. So check to see where the way government will do. That should say government never forget the people that government don't come for comfort them. Government day with them, government day with them night, government day for daytime, government day for afternoon, government day with we for bail or yeah all day. Thank you.
That way it happened for side where they call them for bail. So with the time the councillors them plenty and the mayor and the rest where they don't try for that side and with the time they do where he says don't attend the section meeting. Me we talk now about this one. His Excellency Atanganji Paul, USSF ABV city ye people them for site for Bamida, CPDM they talk say this so come go to countryman. So now in that and then Lele Afrique where number one for site for Northwest he talk to say me Paul Atanganji come go for inside ye on village. So now time that way they don't salute the SDO, salute Joe and then salute President for House of Chief. Now in that man where they don't kidnap we go me 1 year for inside bush I be on a fund for Bambala. So now in that then talk say this so me this countryman a come good. Now the city mayor for side for Baminda where they glad so malum they dance for the yes now juju that and where this countryman minister USSF you know the juju in the proper. So city mayor now in that we carry the stick where talk say this so ye brother he don't come for say me then she don't them blue talk see how they come make me peace he come for side for Baminda. Now where Christmas and New Year he don't come So, Baminda get for be in peace and he talks to this. So, me, any man, be kidding work at the low court, me, they be vigilant because they don't know sideway on gun, on non-government, they feel a pass inter. So, we thank all the parliamentarians and the mayors, them, where they receive His Excellency Tanganji Paul for side for Baminda. It not be easy. Dengando, it not be easy. So, they be talk plenty thing them. Anyhow, we did. Me, we ask him now for Countryman, His Excellency. Countryman, you don't go for Baminda. Where till you get them, like, where till you get them, the instruction for Giam, and where till you talk for any of your brother we don't take gun, he enter for bush. When I hear thing way, minister go talk.
Sitting on the fence, who don't want to relinquish or drop their weapons, I want to ask them, where is Cross and Die? Where is Mad Dog? Where is the so-called Field Marshal? Where is Ayeke? Where is Boss Divine? I think President Paul Biya has given the terrorists the best option. Drop your weapons and go to the DDR centers and start a new life. Lucifer's kingdom is a temple of evil. But Lucifer is telling the terrorists from the northwest and the southwest that we asked you to commit atrocities, but you have committed more atrocities than we expected. So you don't even have a space in Lucifer's kingdom. So they have no breathing space. So they should drop the weapons and live a normal life. Northwest region has gone through so many security challenges.
Tiwe, His Excellency Paul Atanganji, he don't talk for this we brother and where they study for bush say now time this way they for drop gun can enjoy their Christmas and New Year with their family. So now talk where they talk. And then some people then they still complain because you don't say for Cameroon, people in life for complain, they say this so the man they talk with a strong voice. Say when they talk with strong voice, they fear. You see say if we get for put their voice for down. So countryman, this visit where His Excellency Paul Atanganji don't visit him for Baminda. Now with Christmas, they only for news. Now finding we don't check him because Baminda na a village. Now finding and now son of the soil for side for northwest. Where do you get for talk on top of visit? Now find one or now bad one.
The visit for His Excellency now very important visit at this time. I believe say when a father they come for house or a father stand up to talk in the house, it means that the situation for the house is not correct. Now why that way he the talk? But let me get a small remark from what the way our papa he talk. He said those people they talk where is Cross and Die, where is this, where is that. To me, I see let's say that talk na provocation. Because when I think that if it come now for peace, not before war. For some people, they see what they feel drop their weapons. And then they come back. But if question don't they come out say, who side this one, who side this one, they are thinking a provocation. Because some people, they go wake up say, more react, they know say we did. Where it not been at the best. So our papa talk fine. But my point now say, I see at the end of the day, now let's say they say, show that no the pass head. No one, no matter how short or long reach, it no go ever pass head. So, I just still beg our papa say, if he talk, may he try for talk for picking them. Even Bible talk and say, may no offend picking because he don't grow. The Bible say, may grow up a child, the way where he go grow, no go depart. And the same time, he talk, say, may no offend your picking. Because that picking to a human being. So, our papa talk very well, but me I the plead say, that very statement. So, for me, I see a provocation.
Okay. But they go try now for understand say this so it not be the talk now for provoke some person, but they talk now because say New Year and Christmas they don't come. So with the time man where we should on for front the television for see wait to remind a bring am when I know say for Friday now they will ever chakara yes Inter 14 and way it don't make news for inside the week. So we still there. Even now, the youth for site for Chup Village, where they will get for Shidong, their meeting for number 9 day for December for site for Baminda, they will postpone them for number 20 day for January 2024. And they also back the son and daughter them for site for Chup Village, say me they try for they contribute their money where they go start for they do that thing then they for develop their village where they call and say Chup and Chup it under. and Kambe Central for side for Donga Mountain Division. And now they use them for Chuk Village. They didn't have for community work for clean. Yes, for clean their village as Christmas and New Year it come. They want to make that village clean. So they did now, they clean and they go clean for palace and then clean all the soft chiefs, place them, and then all things go work. So we the thank the SDO for Donga Mountain Division, and we the thank again the Mbom, yes, Wimbom Force Union, where they did now for meeting for side from Bayer for see how they could talk for peace and then talk again for love and unity for that side, and they talk to this. So some title them the way then say they get for put them down, because when they give them title, it take them because they coach people, they do bad thing. We title man a person will be ever bring that peace, and then they get thing where they come and say advice. So plenty thing in the way the Wimbom Force Union they could decide today. And we thank the chairman, we na the fund for Tala, we na be head boy for the union, and the secretary, we na fund, yes, fund Jofo, fund Jofo Maurice the second. That means a fund for Chuk Village. We use it for that side. It could get talk, and we go here now for Monday. So, Mr. Hillary, your last talk before we come out.
My last talk, na say make our government endeavor for make peace for this country, especially for the side for security. We in the English section we no safe at all. We for the English section we no really safe. So I dey try for back make peace a return back, especially for this time where Pekin they go like for come outside for go enjoy, and before one know they start run hairstyle skater inside forest again. No be a good remark for a country like this. So make peace a try for rain. So I want to use this opportunity for also thank Prophet Francis Nkongo, Mr. Gaspar, where they for Yaoundé here, and everybody where they follow us at this time. As you should don't for that place where you did, I believe say you no go ever regret why you should done. And also I want to use this opportunity for announce we get a school for Yaoundé here. They call it Glory to Glory. So it's for Mbankolo for Petit Village. Please, if you send your picking for there, it's a very good school and you get good teachers.
Okay, but that one, the one way when I get for camp for you can pay. So that we talk about, because we nobody talk about school today. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So anything concerning school would have come, see the big man, and then you know they arrange. Now when I will get free time for talk about when I school. So anyhow there, when I don't hear as it be happen, we the thank those where they decide with videos. Since for Cameroon, we know the one for respect, wait where we the talk. When we talk different, when I hear when I undifferent, do when I undifferent, we not be normal. When you get something where you want video and for send and for me, make sure send me hold your telephone at this size. If you know hold and so, forget not the waste your data for send and for me, because we know we sure. Hold your Android phone and so video anything you send and for we for that number. Now WhatsApp number that. Where you send them, you tell which way they pass. Yeah, we'll use them. So the population for side from Kambe na whole center for Donga Mountain Division. People then don't start the vex. Say Christmas and New Year don't come, and a time where people then get for enjoy. You person get for carry a woman, carry a picking them. They go for snack, go for nightclub, go enjoy themselves. But they say Joe Central and the SDO for Donga Mountain Division say they don't come out some book. Where the book is the talk say so from 9 p.m. off license. Okada, taxi, Clando, no motor, even private, no get for circulate for inside in Kambe Central. So now book that way, SDO Yina and Joe Central, they don't come out them. But we camera the tonton for C or for year thing with Joe Central go talk or SDO go talk why they decide for take this decision time way any man a want for enjoy. Anyhow we day we eye a day for upside. We go so the film and then the show am. We thank Mr. Mohammed Esumbade, na be there for button today. And me, they call me General Moko, the only general where they work our broom. For sweep all dirty for inside the country, me country not the smell. But although the broom them don't finish, Dr. Magic, yes, Dr. Magic, now you don't help we for buy some broom. And Dr. Malam Saido for side for the Nyepoto, he don't help we too. So with the population where we get and where any man just talk say, now my friend this, I like what way you do. Now time this way when I begin for support, for some we get plenty broom for the sweep country, but any man the only talk say this, now my friend this, where you know to support the program for no nothing, it no make no sense. There no person now time we a day alive or there no person time we don't die. Me when I begin to buy coffin. So now time this way we get for keep Cameroon me clean and for keep them, now say me we sweep them and for sweep them, they sweep with broom. So with the salute man, we can say Mr. Kwebe Donatus, we watch the program. We salute any person we the watch we for say we did. So if we not see the back, that means the belly we don't go for before sins. Happy weekend for any person. We don't go.
And Merry Christmas.
Yes,